with Miss Jean. And
Yay!
next time we'll be with William.
Okay, now we're gonna do feet on the wall.
Feet on the wall. Push off.
I'm very proud of you, Chloe.
Ready? Feet on the wall. Ready? Go!
I would want her to swim with you.
You can throw her in.
Grandpa used to throw me in.
I believe it. That's what grandpas do.
Ready?
We gotta prepare Chloe for grandpa.
Right.
Here we go, Chloe.
Chloe, look. Look.
Ready?
Ready?
Push off. 1, 2, 3. Whee!
That's what Grandpa said.
You liked it.
That's what Grandpa
Okay.
for.
Let it. Put your feet up. Ready? Push off.
Smiling the whole time. I knew you were an underwater baby. There you go. Push off. Blow that water out your nose.
I'm glad.
No, it's a gliding position with eyes down.
Okay, you ready?
Push off.
Push
Arms
off.
out straight.
Can I have a kiss?
Kisses.
Can I have a kiss?
Aw.
Oh, come
Oh,
on, have
get
a
him
kiss.
wet, get him wet.